man. It just rolled all the way back down. Here, throw it to me. Okay. Got the football.
Wait, it's not Crappie.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Some people call them specks. Nice fish, man. Not bad for the first 5 minutes. What is it? What is it? Should I get the net? I'm gonna get the net. He's got it going. He's got it going. You getting close? Let it take its time. That's good. Bring it up a little higher.
Oh my gosh, massive catfish. Got it. I'm not holding that.
Wow. Go stand here so they can see how big it is.
Like, it's bigger than my foot.
Yeah,
Probably
wow.
bigger than from my foot to my knee.
That's a big fish, dude.
I know, I'm not holding it. You're holding it. Bro, my hip hurts so much.
Yeah, that thing was fighting. He took a lot of line.
And he killed me.
Settle down there, Buck.
That's definitely the biggest I've caught.
He bit the hot
Here.
dog, I think. Wow, you sure you don't want to hold him?
Heck no.
Really?
Heck no.
Alright, here.
I am not holding that.
Alright. You don't have to. You don't have to. Remember, you just gotta watch out for the couple barbs on these things.
Yeah,
That's really
I know.
all you gotta worry about.
I mean, it's not
He's
poisonous.
really slimy, this guy.
Oh my god. That thing is chubby.
Look at this guy.
It's a thick one. Okay, you can throw it in now.
Ready?
Let's see let's see how big the splash is.
Oh, we got a baby catfish. Alright.
I don't like
Bring it over.
fish.
Good,
Good job. 3, 2, 1.
2 or 3 got off on us. That's a pretty good one. Turn it to the side. Yeah. Pretty, man. Definitely. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, go.
Are they always that fast?
They're probably like happy to be back, and imagine being stuck underwater, you know what I mean? You wouldn't be able to breathe. Huge snapping turtle out there. Barely see it. Crappie. Yeah, go ahead. 6. Something else is going on. I need to get the net. I'm getting the net. You get it up a little higher. It's a big cat.
Catfish.
Oh, you got out. Got it.
Got him. Holy cow. That's the 4th catfish we've caught.
It's like he bit the hot dog.
They like hot dogs.
They've been loving the hot dog today. Not as big as the first one, but
It's like pretty decent size.
yeah.
Okay, you can throw it back now.
Ready?
Goodbye, catfish.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Just keep the tip up. Just let it wear itself out. You're gonna have to fight this thing. You have to fight one. It's in a battle. What could it be? Another catfish? Or the elusive carp? I don't know. Sorry. Take your time. Keep the tip up. Let it wear itself out. See it coming closer. It's making a big swirl in the water out there. Oh, it's the carp. That's a carp. You got the carp, dude. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Keep the tip up. Keep the tip up. Keep the tip up. I got it. Yeah. Nice job, dude. Oh, man. Woo.
I thought it was a catfish because of the tail.
Yeah. So we put the one carp rig on this top and
Whoops.
bottom hook. And did
Accidentally
corn,
caught it.
hot dog corn, and we've been hitting the catfish all day until now. Woo! Yeah, he wasn't coming off, man. You're holding this one, dude. You gotta hold this one.
This one doesn't have any spikes.
You gotta hold it.
I will.
You got him good.
Yeah, this one doesn't have any spikes.
Here, let's just move these hooks out of the way.
This doesn't have any.
You gonna grab them?
I don't know.
Grab them.
Like this.
Why don't you grab him by the mouth? Stick your thumb in his mouth. He's gonna do that, yeah. You can control him by the mouth.
He's gonna start
Don't be scared of him, man. Look at that monster. That thing is fat. You gotta hold it, dude.
How do I take a picture on this thing?
You don't have to. If you just record, I just screenshot it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my gosh.
Good. Man, they went way underneath this thing, too. Watch it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and
Hit the bell.
hit the bell.